Hi, this is Laura Bomey. Welcome to week 3. I would like to walk you through the assignments and the activities that you will do this week, as well as give you a brief overview of the concepts of recruitment and selection. When you log into Blackboard, you will see the week 3 information. Please note the due dates, and then at the bottom of the announcement, you will see all of the assignments and the due dates. If you click on any of these links, they will take you to the area that you need to complete. So for example, if I'll click on this first one and it will take you into the week 3 area, please make sure you're always looking at the student learning outcomes. For example, in chapter 4, recruitment, the idea of recruitment is how you hire and engage individuals to come and work for your company. And then selection is the idea of after people have applied to work for your company, how the company goes through the process of choosing a successful candidate to take a job. So you'll see here that you look at the objectives and then you can go into the book and read the information, and notice at the bottom the recruitment process here is outlined and all the factors that you need to consider. So that would be one thing to make sure you check out. The other is the selection chapter. You will want to go and look at that, talking about, for example, many of you have probably gone through an interview. That is a very important element. That is the very shortest period of time you have to really make a good impression on someone. And if you want the job, you really need to shine, because at this time, as many of you may have already experienced, there are a lot of people looking for jobs. So again, you want to read through it, go look and identify the selection process. Make sure you understand all those steps, how important a resume is, the interview, sometimes there's tests, and then the company will make an offer. And as a candidate, you need to also be prepared that you would want to sometimes negotiate the offer if you do get a position. Once you look at the chapters, then please don't forget you have the student community where I've given you some prompts, and the student community is linked here. You can go and make your weekly post. And then of course there's a quiz. The assignments we have for this week are to go to YouTube and look up some videos and post information about recruitment and selection. Please just read the instruction. And then, as we've done for a lot of the weeks, we have an activity where you just click on the template, open it, and then you complete the assignment that is that you are to do by answering the questions. So please do that. You save it, and then you come back here and you upload it. And then this week, I asked everybody to go in and identify a company. So you'll click on this. This is an activity called a wiki. And in this wiki, you will identify a company that you are interested in learning about for the term. So you would click on it, and then you will have the opportunity, and you'll see some students have already done this, but you will go ahead and add your company into this. So please make sure you do that activity as well. If you have any questions, make sure you check out the announcements. And then I have my instructor information here, but please make sure to complete everything by the due date. Thank you.